precious people, what is up? Hope you all are doing pretty well. This is your girl Win and welcome to my YouTube channel, The Sassy Leo. Guys, today's video is all about a huge Meesho haul. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 things जो मैंने ऑर्डर करी हैं from Meesho and I have included each and everything in this haul, be it top wear, bottom wear, accessories, jewelry and what not. Guys, this is not just a haul but it is a try on video too. So सारे कपड़ों का या सारे एसेसरीज का ट्राई ऑन भी मैं स्क्रीन पे अटैच कर दूंगी. सो आई हैव ईच एंड एवरीथिंग इन हियर एंड ऑफ कोर्स आई हैव ऑलरेडी ओपनड ऑल ऑफ दीज पैकेजेस बिकॉज एक बार पार्सल रिसीव होने के बाद किसी से वेट तो होता नहीं है. एटलीस्ट दैट्स नॉट द थिंग विथ मी. सो एज सून एज आई रिसीव द पार्सल आई ओपन इट स्ट्रेट अवे. Now let's just quickly move ahead with the video. So if you want to know what all things I purchased from Meesho, then please make sure you watch this video till the very end. But before moving ahead, I would love it if you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you're seeing this face for the very first time, hi, I'm the Sassy Leo and I would also love it if you subscribe to my channel by clicking the underneath red subscribe button into gray and hitting the bell icon besides it. And now without any further delay, let's just gear up and get going. So I have all of the parcels right here. चलो let's see. सबसे पहले हमारे हाथ में कौन सा पार्सल आता है. The first one is this top. It is lettuce women apricot drawstring bell sleeves top. इसमें काफ़ी सारे कलर्स आते हैं. I purchased it in this sky blue color. I purchased this one in the size M. And it fits perfectly. Material is quite soft and quite breathable. You don't feel irritated after wearing it. It looks quite stylish. This retails for 288 rupees, which is quite affordable. The price point is a big hit. I loved each and everything about this top, be it the neckline, the side strip thing and the bell sleeves. Each and everything about this top is amazing. Moving ahead with number 2, let's see what we have. And here we have this oversized t-shirt with such a pretty print. So मैंने इसे exchange करवाया है. The reason being मैंने पहले M size order किया था एंड वेयर करने के बाद वो बहुत ज़्यादा ओवरसाइज्ड नहीं फील हो रहा था. इट वॉज लुकिंग एज इफ इट वॉज माई परफेक्ट साइज. सो आई थॉट आई शुड एक्सचेंज इट एंड आई ऑर्डर्ड साइज L. दिस रिटेल्स फॉर 161 rupees. I ordered it in brown shade. I think this is the only shade that was available for this pattern. So yes, and again the material is so comfy. It looks perfectly oversized. But again, if you go for XL, it would be more good, more nice, more comfortable and it would give more of an oversized look. I was happy with it and second exchange was not possible. Otherwise, मैं XL size पे ज़रूर switch करती. For the next up, we have this bag जो इस तरह की बकल के साथ आता है. This is a sling which looks very stylish. ये भी काफ़ी cute लगता है. And it also comes with the long string. This product retails for 244 rupees. As soon as we open, we get बहुत सारी पैकिंग हमने निकाल दी है and as you can see, we get in all 3 chambers. एक zip के साथ आता है and 2 are without zips. And इसकी zip quality is also very good, very smooth. As you can see from the try on, this looks very classy. The only thing that I didn't like is this branding, which I am not a big fan of. Otherwise, the pattern looks fab. The color looks fab. The color combination is so good. And also, मैंने इसे white and grey में purchase किया है. If you want, ample of other colors are also available. White will be constant. ये जो grey part है इसके जगह पे you will get other colors. Alright, next up I have a jewelry set. एंड स्पेसिफिकली मैंने इसे ऑर्डर किया है क्योंकि ये ऑक्सीडाइज्ड है एंड नवरात्रि इज कमिंग, सो फॉर नवरात्रि कंटेंट आई वांटेड सम ज्वेलरी पीसेस एंड इसीलिए मैंने इसे ऑर्डर किया है. फॉर द प्राइस पॉइंट इट इज अमेजिंग, सुपर डुपर डुपर अफोर्डेबल बिकॉज दिस वन रिटेल्स फॉर ओनली 107 rupees. Although I know कि it looks amazing, the earpieces are great. Only problem I had with this is कि इसका जो neck piece था it came broken. So I needed to fix it first and then I got to wear it. So यही reason है कि मैंने इसे 3 stars दिए हैं. Otherwise the product is so good, quality is pretty decent. And yeah, that's that. Moving ahead with my most favorite purchase, and this is the most stylish one, I tell you. This has been in my wish list for a very long time. And होता है ना कि हम wish list में चीज़ें ऐड करते जाते हैं and फिर काफ़ी चीज़ें they get lost in the wish list itself. So this was the case with this product. It is a dress, by the way. I ordered it in size L. This one retails for 332 rupees. रही बात quality की, so the quality of the cloth is pretty decent. The stitchings are also well. It comes with a stylish neckline and also such kind of sleeves. नेट स्लीव्स है एंड नेट का मटेरियल बिल्कुल ऐसे खड़खड़ नहीं है, कंफर्टेबल एंड सॉफ्ट काइंड ऑफ नेट है, इरिटेटिंग मटेरियल नहीं है क्लॉथ का या फिर इस नेट का भी. सो या दिस इज माई मोस्ट फेवरेट परचेज. नेक्स्ट अप वी हैव आर दीज पेयर ऑफ सैंडल्स एंड मैंने इस बार मीशो से परचेज किए हैं दीज ब्लॉक हील्स with such a long lace strap. Now I have purchased this one in size IND5 and it fits perfectly. बिल्कुल uncomfortable नहीं है ये. It is velvet material, so yes, that's that. And look at the color combination, it looks so pretty. These retail for only 302 rupees. Isn't that great? This was a 5-on-5 purchase for me. Next up is the last one and here we have bottoms and these are parachute pants which are very trendy these days. I did not have one, so I thought why not purchase these, and these are 6 pocket parachute pants. These retail for 242 rupees and the quality is top notch. Now regarding the size and the color. Firstly मैंने ऑर्डर किया था in grey color and I have received these in black color. Now इसके पीछे लॉजिक मेरा कुछ ऐसा लगा है कि they might be thinking कि ये वॉश करने के बाद it would get faded, so maybe उन्होंने डार्क कलर भेजा and वॉश करने के बाद maybe just maybe I will get ग्रे कलर आउट ऑफ दीज बिकॉज डार्क कलर्स फेड हो जाते हैं आफ्टर वॉशिंग देम, सो माइट बी द केस. एंड अबाउट द साइज इशूज, सो मैंने इसे ऑर्डर किया है in XL size. Now I am an average heighted girl. I am not too tall and I am not too short. मेरे साथ 3 से 4 बार ऐसा हुआ है कि I have ordered my perfect size bottoms. Especially jeans के साथ ऐसा हुआ है. Not with pants and other trousers, but denim jeans के साथ ऐसा definitely काफ़ी बार हुआ है कि I have ordered my perfect size. The length was so short that I needed to return them. So for this one, initially only I went 2 sizes up. I ordered these in XL size. So before ordering any kind of denims from Meesho, make sure that you go 1 to 2 sizes up. Alright, that's it. I guess I have covered each and everything in this haul, be it footwear, be it topwear, be it dresses, bottom wear, accessories, jewelry, each and everything I have covered, and that too in affordable range. And yes, if you want any of the links of the products that I purchased and I have shown you in this video and you wish to purchase them, then the link would be in the description box of this video itself, and also you will get the link in the community tab. So yes, that's that. With this we come to an end of this video. If you like such kind of videos, please give it a big fat thumbs up, share as much as possible, subscribe to my channel and follow me on all my socials, link in the description bar below. Also write down in the comment section what do you want to see next. Remember, your wish is my command. Till then, this is me Vin signing off. I shall see you all in my next video. Bye.